on behalf of the Filipino people, good morning and welcome to the Philippines. Your journey of rediscovery has finally brought you to the shores of our country.
The WTTC Summit hopes for the world to rediscover travel once again by restoring the people's confidence through health and safety measures. This is exactly what our partnership with Nissan Philippines is about, and we're excited that it has been scaled up to this global event.
Nissan is very privileged to be part of this effort that is organized by the DOT as we continue to work towards a safe and sustainable travel.
We fully understand the urgent need for disaster preparedness, resiliency, and climate change mitigation. We have strived to promote programs that ensure the return of confidence in traveling.
Nissan and the Department of Tourism has been partnering since 2020 on the Safe Trips campaign. And this campaign actually aims to promote our advocacy on safe and responsible travel for those tourists who want to explore the beauty of the Philippines. Whether it be a short or long-distance travel, our vehicles are well equipped to make your drive safe, comfortable, and exciting.